Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video we are going to be going over how to split a face in 123D. So we'll jump in, start with a box, and what I'm going to do is pop in another box here. I'm going to smart scale this box so that it fully intersects the original approximately through the halfway point. And so now we've got these two boxes. What I'm going to do is go to Modify, Split Face. You could also hit the B key, face to split. Let's split this face. And then the splitting entity will be this face. I hit enter, and now I can delete this other box that I just made temporarily. And you can see that all these other faces just have kind of one face on them, except the one I split. So what can we do with that? Why would we want to do that? Well, one reason is we might want to put kind of like a draft angle on this, so we can go back to modify and we could press pull this face and drag this along, and now we've got a different shape, right? Instead of that, we could also grab the solid, grab the face, go to tweak, and we can start to rotate these things around. I wonder if it would look better with triangulate. Not necessarily. Then we can start to just move this around. So you can see that there's different things that you can do by splitting the face. I don't know of many other uses than that at the moment, but if we find them, we'll let you know in the lessons. But yeah, we went over how to split a face and some of the things that you can do with that. This is Keith from Kinvert. Hope you found that helpful, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.